Introducing Azbil's control valve, total solution, a comprehensive excellence for valves and beyond. Our solution integrates 4 essential elements: control valves, valve positioners, maintenance services, and advanced valve diagnostics, delivering complete value for your operations. At the core of this solution is the newly released 6000 series control valve, featuring industry-leading flow performance. Its patented stabilizer improves flow straightening, resulting in a higher CV value, allowing greater capacity without increasing valve size. The 6000 series complies with the latest international standards and is supported by Azbil's new dedicated flow testing facility, demonstrating Azbil's determination to remain a pioneer in control valve technology. Equally important is our Smart Valve Positioner Model AVP, designed for exceptional reliability and operational simplicity. The Smart Valve Positioner is capable of exceeding 50 million operating cycles. Beyond products, Azbil leverages over 120 years of expertise to provide maintenance services to customers worldwide. Looking ahead, Azbil's valve diagnostics enable condition-based maintenance, the future of maintenance. It allows continuous monitoring, early detection of issues, and the prevention of unexpected shutdowns. Azbil's control valve, total solution, delivers performance, reliability, and forward-looking innovation. We are truly driven by your success. Solving valve challenges. That's our mission.